guys, here with Barno Recipes. Today our installment is going to be tomato basil soup like Madeline's, the Madeline's copycat type recipe. And first of all, I wanted to apologize for not putting out a bunch of videos, but we just finally laid my sister-in-law to rest this past Saturday. So I hope I'm back on track now. But anyways, if you like and subscribe to my video, I would greatly appreciate it. And there's very basic, come down here, there's very basic ingredients to this. Basically just can of whole tomatoes. This is a 28-ounce can, I believe. Yes, 28-ounce can. 2 cups of tomato sauce. Or tomato juice, I'm sorry, not sauce, juice, with 2 cups of vegetable broth. And we're going to combine those and then add the crushed tomatoes and then basil. And then we're going to add some cream and some butter as well. But that's really all there is to it. But let's get to it. We'll stop talking now and we'll get to it. Thank you. Okay, we're going to start off by adding the vegetable broth along with the tomato juice. This is juice, not sauce. Along with the 20-ounce can of whole tomato, peeled tomatoes. And we're just going to, okay, we're just going to let that simmer now. We're going to put it on low and let it go for 30 minutes. And we'll get back to you. Okay, it's been about 30 minutes now, and now it's time to add your basil. We're going to blend this up and love it, but I'm just going to tear them up because they're kind of big leaves, just so it's easier for the blender to blend. And you can use as much basil as you like. I normally get the big basil thing because I really like the basil flavor. But you can use as much as you like. It really doesn't matter. Okay, once you have basil in there, you can go ahead and start blending it up. And if you don't have an immersion blender like this here, you can use a regular blender. Just pour it in the blender and blend it up, and then return it back to the pot when you're done. Some of the basil to be seen. Once you have it all blended up, go ahead and add your butter. This looks like an awful lot of butter, and then add your whipped cream. We're adding about a cup, and you're gonna let that simmer until that butter melts completely. And I'll have all the ingredient list in the description for you guys as well. So we're gonna let that butter melt and we'll get back to you. Okay, once the butter is completely melted, we're gonna taste it for salt. That's very good. You can taste the basil immensely. It does need some salt though, so we're gonna add it. Start testing it one more time. Oh yeah, that's good. So it's ready to serve and eat at this point. So all that's left to do is for us to serve it up, and I'll give you a taste test in a few minutes. Go ahead and ladle it up when you're done. And we're good. We made some grilled cheese to go with ours. Tomato and basil and grilled cheese go together really good. I did show you how to make grilled cheese. That's who everybody does how to make grilled cheese, so there it is. We'll put some green onions on here. Just what I do. And we'll go ahead and give it a little taste test here. Dip our grilled cheese in there. See what we think. Very good. So please give this a try. I think you're going to love it. It's a copycat recipe to La Madeline's. And if you ever had Madeline's, you know, oh my God, that's good stuff. This tastes exactly like it. It's so delicious. So give it a shot, and don't forget to like and subscribe down below. Thank you very much.